Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. We're going to have a look again, catch up what's going on with the beach, Pattaya Beach Road along the beach, and it's really is coming along now. So let's have a quick look. We've come right down now past Central Road. That's the Hilton Central Festival shopping mall, and we're now down all the way quite a way past Central Festival, the Hilton Hotel, and plenty of people day and night. I'm going to come back this evening about 9:30, 10 o'clock, and we'll have another quick look here on the beach. It's actually quite nice. Let's just have a quick look the other side of the greenery. So there they are down there with the diggers, and you can see just past them, you can see the beer garden at the back towards Walking Street. They're probably 3/4 of the way through. They're now working day and night. This section will be open soon. They'll clean it all up, then they'll move the green fencing down there. So this will all be open shortly also. Let's go down and check the work. There's some interesting stuff, and there's a big rumour going round, a very big rumour. So let's have a look down there and I'll show you the before and after, and we'll talk about the rumour. See you down at the digs. So here we are down at the first part of the digs. They are making their building, it's like a slope from the I don't know, is it halfway sort of mark to the beach. They're putting a slope in. They're really getting on with it here. As I say, these have been working day and night. They've got lights on them, and they're trying to get it done as quickly as possible. But I think we're talking about, there was words April. They was talking about April. Let's get further down. So here we are. We were just here where the bulldozer is. We've come along, and that will give you an idea of the extent of work that they are having to do for the beach renovation. That is quite a hole there that they're filling. Not sure how they're doing it, as long as they do a proper job. So there are 5, there's one behind the man behind here, 5 diggers, the JCB types, going along. So we'll go now just the other side of this one here, where it's like the building a lake, doesn't it? Oh, it is from here, from where I can see. We'll go the other side, show you what the beach was, how it used to be. So let's get down there. There's 2 more diggers here, so that's, and a smaller one there, so that's 7 or 8 here now. But this from here, so I've sneaked over. Jump down. So this is where they're up to. And this here was the original beach, extremely eroded right back. Or maybe it wasn't, maybe they're just extending it out and this is how it was. But this is how far they've got to now. And this is a bit of the original. Not nice, but it will be going right out. And it will be lovely. It will be lovely, possibly lovely again. It's all fenced off for them to move in as soon as they can. So let's get down to the end of the beach part and I'll show you something and we'll talk about the rumour or rumours. This is part of the original, how it was. So you can see there wasn't much room, there wasn't much of a beach. So they're bringing up the tourism here now, and it's actually gone, or will be going from this to this. How much better is that now? Right, we're at the end. So they'll be bringing it all the way along the beach, right out, all the way along to here. That's the beer garden. They've built this building here. It's a sanitation plant. Yes, a lot of sewage from Pattaya goes in here. They've built this. They've put huge filters in. And machinery inside this side to clean all the water. It goes through huge filters, chemicals here, huge filters for anything else to clean the water. Whether it's going to clean that, but it'll definitely clean what's going into it. So we're at the end here. What's the big rumours? Well, let me show you. When they get to the end, they get just down here. They're on the walking street doorstep with 6 large JCBs. And the rumour is that they're not going to stop at the end of the beach. There's been talks for many years about all the beach side of Walking Street being illegal, being government navy land. So the big rumours going around is when the bulldozers reach here, the diggers, in April, they're going to be continuing. It is a rumour, but it's a lot of rumours. Pattaya's full to the brim of rumours. So we'll see what happens in April. Anyway, that's it from here, Day. I'll see you tonight on the beach. and show you the difference it's making. I'm back just after 10 p.m. It's 10:15 p.m. and with the beach rejuvenation, this is what's now happening. You've got groups, not only Thais, but tourists, Falang, Westerners. They're having nights on the beach, bringing food, having picnics. All the way along. All the way along. And it's really nice to see coming along Beach Road, to see people still on the beach after 10 p.m. at night. There's something else I've never seen here before also. Quite an elderly lady with a metal detector. Hey, she's got a lot of beach to cover now. Behind me, is she? But that is the difference. I'm falling over myself. That is the difference that the beach rejuvenation has made. People can now come down on the beach of a night, bring food, have picnics, bring some drink, little music box, can even bring their metal detectors. That's just something I wanted to show you, the differences it's making. Anyway, I hope you liked the vlog, the video, showing you the how the beach is getting on. I won't be doing another one. I'll be keeping an eye on it now for April, when they're getting to the end, keeping an eye on what's going on. And if anything does go on, as the rumours are saying, I will go live to show what's going on. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like, a thumbs up, a share. If you hated it, you've waited 10 hours for this bit. Well, maybe not, but I did. And subscribe, why not? Thank you very much for watching. Good night.